Zambia's Vice President Mutale Nalumango has come out of a helicopter incident in Nakonde district without injuries. Zanabera mashoko ashamisa veruzhinji chinokonzi the Vice President weku Zambia pangwa ine survivor after a helicopter crash achibuda ari health asina pa akuara. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timina mchitiko chavunitsa veruzhinji mudanyo kwa mchinzi. President Hakainde Hichilema confirmed the development, saying he had spoken to Nalumango after the aircraft went down. In his statement, the president said, "We have just spoken with Your Honor, the Vice President, and our running mate, Ms. W.K. Mutale Nalumango, who was involved in a helicopter incident today. We are grateful to God to report that she is in good spirit and unharmed." He also expressed gratitude, adding, "We thank God for his protection and for preserving her life." Preliminary information indicates Dr. Nalumango had revved up a public rally in Nakonde during her tour of Muchinga province. She was due to proceed to Isoka district when the helicopter crash landed. Footage and photos shared online show a white helicopter on its side near homes and vegetation. Security teams and emergency responders arrived at the scene soon after. Local reporters say the area was quickly cordoned off and journalists were barred from getting close as officials secured the site. While the Vice President was not yet, there has been no official update yet on other people who may have been aboard or on what caused the crash. Authorities say investigators will look into possible causes including mechanical problems or weather. News of the incident has spread widely across Zambia and the region, with many expressing relief that Nalumango survived. The government says more information will be released once the investigation progresses. Toma developments are pangwa ino pina comment section menus of any more to keep this incident. Subscribe or like, join the bell icon.